They say that Ayurveda finds you. It's because of Ayurveda that I now have found my passion in life, and I've found myself. In the Wellness Educator program, you are learning the building blocks that are helping you to understand Ayurveda on a deeper level. It's focused on the preventative care. So it's all about how to create daily, nightly, and seasonal routines. And whenever you get into the practitioner program, now you are learning about disease management, the progression of the disease, how to identify the disease, different forms of therapies. We learn more about the herbology part. Everything comes together in a very beautiful, cohesive package to help you understand that this is the study of life. I feel extremely prepared with all of this knowledge that I've gained, and I know that it's going to help me forever. What made me decide on SCU is the fact that we have the clinical experience here. We get to work with the public and be able to apply everything that we're learning. You get to help people, and you get to see how Ayurveda can do tremendous work for people who are struggling, to give them some type of comfort, some type of hope. To me, that's the best part. The faculty here at SCU, they want us to succeed. They will do anything in their power to help us. They make themselves available. They help answer questions when needed. I was able to learn under Dr. Anu. I've been able to see her help people. Like, I've seen a woman who was 90 years old. When she first came in, she was feeling grumpy and miserable and in pain. And then 3 weeks later, she comes back. She's all happy and she's all smiles. I've been able to see other patients come in and just be so grateful, just to see their life improve. And that's why I'm so grateful to all of the clinicians. And Dr. Anu is very passionate for what she does. I am eternally grateful for her. I would say that the Ayurveda program here at SU has many, many opportunities. I've been able to work in the herbal pharmacy. I've been able to create herbal concoctions for patients to help them with their specific ailments. I've been able to teach yoga for the SCU program. I am the vice president of the Ayurveda Club, and I've met so many amazing people. This program is awesome because we get to work with other programs, and you get to also meet amazing people in those other programs and see how we can all collaborate and work together and grow integrative care. Because of everything that I've gained here, I feel extremely prepared for whatever my future holds.